In this video, let me show you how you can get the moving background on your computer, on your Mac, right? So of course, we can go to settings and explore the existing ones. Like in the left panel, we can find a wallpaper section, and we have a couple of dynamic wallpapers at the top. So you can click on show all of them, and then those are gonna change the color, right? So they are dynamic in it that way, but you can as well see some of them which kind of move a little bit, right? So as you can see, the landscapes and those like cityscapes, those all of them are kind of like moving wallpapers, but mostly on the lock screen. So you can definitely play with that, right? And that's how you can decide to have it. So that's one option, but that's kind of limited and people usually know about this. So instead, I think it's best to open up the App Store on your Mac and get a dedicated wallpaper application from the App Store. So of course, we can look up the wallpapers in here, get apps specifically for a Mac, not really just for the iPhone or iPad, but just get the Mac wallpapers, and you can get an app like this one, the Dynamic Wallpaper Library. And using this, you can see it has pretty good ratings. You can download it as a third-party app on your computer, and using this, you'll have the ability to access a different library of the moving wallpapers. So of course, this was just an example, but as you can see, I have now the ability to choose different ones. You can see the one is already selected like this, so you can see I have a wallpaper which is like moving already, but I can choose something else. For example, this one in here, right? I'm gonna download it and use it in here in the downloaded section, but essentially you can see in real time that I have the ability to use it, right? So that's essentially how you can do this. That's like an example, right? Obviously, there are so many other apps which would get the job done, but let me know what you think below. Subscribe, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos and uploads like this one.